Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the install won't fail. Make sure you have 500 MB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions and hidden data charges. Once done, sign into the store account and grant required permissions so the game can save progress and access features. Tap Install and watch the progress indicator. If it stalls, switch networks or pause other downloads. This first action gets the game files on your device and primes you for setup. You now move through the in-game setup, which teaches controls and essential mechanics. Follow the onboarding tutorial because it unlocks key combos and navigation shortcuts. Next, make adjustments to control sensitivity and graphics to match your device. Lower settings if you see frame drops to ensure consistent input and smoother gameplay. Create or link your player profile and enable cloud save so your progress is preserved across devices. Once configured, practice core moves in a safe area to build muscle memory and confidence. You finish by focusing on steady progression. Prioritize main quests to unlock essential features, then supplement with daily tasks and events to accumulate resources more predictably. Level up gradually. Invest in upgrades that match your playstyle and avoid spending everything at once. If the game crashes or lags, first force close and relaunch. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall to reset corrupted files. Finally, backup settings and enable cloud saves so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.